What's up guys, Savvy here, back on another vlog. So currently got the get your own bag from the food truck Sing Bites. This shit is fucking busting though. So good, tastes so good. Got the spicy Dorito nachos thingies. Sweet and sour, sweet chili sweet chili nachos. It's a 10 out of 10. Fucking delicious. The only thing is that with the sauce and stuff, the chips kind of get soggy, but still tastes pretty good. So, still give it a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend getting this bag.